viewers, welcome once again. We are continuing our 3-meal course for the special day, which is just around the corner, the Valentine's Day. So at the moment my chicken is grilling under the grill, my rice is cooking, and I'm going to continue with my starter. With the starter, I'm doing king's prawns on a skewer. It's a prawn, it's the big prawns, king prawn. It's just like this, the big prawn like this. So I just clean it up like that. I take the skin off and I've gotten it into this size. So all I'm going to do is, this is my frying pan on the hob. I'm going to do oven top grill. I'm going to do oven top grill. So I'm going to grill the prawns in my saucepan with some vegetables, which is my mushroom, mixed pepper, and I'll season it with my vegetable seasoning. Let's go. And I also have chili, my chili powder. So with the prawns, I'm cooking with butter. Add my butter to my frying pan. If you have your barbecue, you can just put these king prawns on your skewer and cook it on the grill, on the barbecue. So this is my butter cooking, and I'll add my garlic, crushed garlic. You can smell the garlic. And then I'll add the prawns, my king prawns. It's been washed. And then I'll just add a teaspoonful of my vegetable seasoning. You can use any seasoning at all in your cupboard. Onga, vegetable stock cube, any seasoning at all. And because this seasoning contains salt, I'm not going to add any salt. I'll just add the seasoning. It's enough to give it taste. So the king prawns is cooking nicely, and you can smell it with the butter and the garlic. It's smelling so nice. So I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of my chili pepper on this. So my king prawns is ready now. It's cooked. So I'm just going to add my vegetables, which is the mushroom and the mixed pepper. You can also add onions if you like. So you cook this for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then your starter will be ready. Now the prawns is ready. You can see it's all dried up, turned into golden brown. It's looking really yummy. I'm going to put this on a skewer as a starter. I'll just leave it aside, set it aside to cool a bit so I can use my hand to pick it up and put it on a skewer. Okay, my lovely viewers, so this is the starter. This is the prawns, the king prawns I'm putting on the skewer. So you just do it like that of kebab. Put the prawns first, my mixed pepper, and then the mushroom. And this is my starter. Put it on a skewer, or you can also serve this in a small dishes or small bowls. So this is the starter. King prawns ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.